Now let's look at a unit in more detail. I've chosen a unit from Level 1. The topic for this unit is competitions. Each unit starts with some questions for class discussion related to the unit topic. This is an informal opportunity for the teacher to go over language and expressions that students should already know. We call this bridging. The first strand presents a question relating to culture. Here we are looking at different types of teen competitions. The skills focus for the culture pages is on listening and speaking. The 2 pages will give you 2 or 3 sessions of work. Under the question, there are the learning objectives for the 2 pages. These are expressed in terms of functions so that students understand what they can do with the language they are learning. The key language objectives are outlined at the foot of each page. New language is introduced through a listening activity. After the new language has been introduced, it is analyzed in a language box. You'll find a language box on every page of the unit, with the exception of the review pages. As collaborative work is so important, students are often asked to build on and share previous knowledge through brainstorming activities. Students are expected to exchange views and participate in collaborative activities. Clear speech models help them express their ideas. In English Learning Webs, we think it's very important that students are active and do something with target language. At the end of every double page, there is an over to you moment. Students produce a piece of work individually or in groups to present to the rest of the class. For the culture spread, this work practices speaking skills. In this case, it takes the form of a typical game. There is an icon on each double page to remind the students and teachers that there is a digital activity to complement what students have learned. All the double pages in the student's book have an equivalent single page in the workbook. The workbook is designed for individual work with the aim of consolidating language and concepts from the student's book. It has a combination of activities focusing on vocabulary building, grammar practice, and free writing. The objectives for every spread in terms of language and skills can be found in the teacher's guide.